guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. How are you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. You are very welcome. If this is your first time, I am so happy to have you here. In today's video, I want to share with you this delicious yet simple chicken pie recipe. I hope this is something you will love to watch. Stay back and don't go anywhere. Taught me everything I know. So first thing first, let's make the filling. On my pan I have a bit of vegetable oil. I added some onions, sauteing it for a few seconds, and yes, I added my chopped fresh chicken breast. You can actually shred this or do it anyhow you want it. You can blend this and just make it minced chicken. But when it comes to chicken pie, I think you want a bit of chunkiness in it, and that is why I just chopped this with my knife, and this is what it looked like. Remember, chicken breast is not a hard meat. It gets cooked like almost immediately, so you want to stir this a bit and then add one of your veggies. So after stirring this for just a few seconds, I went ahead and add my carrots, because my carrot is hard, so you want this to go in almost immediately. So go ahead and add your carrot and keep stirring, or just allow it to simmer for a few seconds. But you can do this scotch bonnet thing. It's actually optional. You can use grounded pepper, it just depends on you. But I wanted a bit of hotness in there, so I added some scotch bonnet. It actually came out really nice. So now go ahead and add your scotch bonnet if you are using any, and once you're done with that, it's time to spice your chicken. So you can do whatever seasoning you like. I added some seasoning powder, curry, thyme, some chicken flavor. Just do you, okay? This is actually optional. Do you can just add salt and seasoning powder and it will still come out really nice. So I did as I want, which is adding all of this, and once I was done with that, I stirred it and add my carrots. And enjoy the video, guys. It's actually very simple and self-explanatory.
Welcome to my channel, Temilayo and Temilayo and
So once I added my carrots, I added a bit of water. Then you want to cover it to simmer for a few seconds. Once that is done, add a bit of cornstarch slurry. You can use your all-purpose flour. So allow that to simmer as well. The last but not the least, add your bell peppers if you are using any. But if you are not, your filling is quite ready after adding your slurry. But because I'm using these bell peppers and I brought it out from the freezer, I didn't want it to overcook, so I just added it after the slurry. So you can add spring onions if you have them. Like you see, I added bell peppers. So you can see how colorful, beautiful and moist this is. That is exactly what you want. So go ahead and take it off the heat, set aside, and it's time to make our dough. So for your dough, all you need is, I'm using 2 cups of flour. I added a bit of nutmeg, a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. So you can actually do milk flavor. It's really not important or necessary, but anything that pass salt and baking powder and margarine when it comes to pie dough, then you are doing extra. Trust me, even the cinnamon I added, it was extra. So a traditional pie dough consists of your flour, baking powder, salt and margarine. That's like the traditional pie dough. But anybody that does anything else, that add anything else, just have it in mind that that person is creating a recipe or is doing extra. So you want a very, very chilled water. So go ahead, don't mix this, don't knead it, okay? Once you added your margarine, just make sure it combines with the butter, or yeah, just make sure it's combined with the flour, okay? And then once you have that, start adding your water bit by bit. Like I said, cold water works best. Cold margarine, cold butter, that is like the traditional way of making your pie dough. So now we are up to rolling it out. I actually saw this this pattern of making pie, and I couldn't wait to try it, and that's what I'm showing you guys on this part of the video. So I used a circled plates. You want to cut out a circle, and yeah, you want to cut out a circle and then just slit one half of the circle, not all the way through, just a bit to the middle, okay, like so. And you want to add your filling to one side of that, just like you're making the triangle shaped tortilla wrap, you know what I mean. So go ahead and add your filling to one part of the circle where the slit is, okay? And now you just want to gently roll this in. I know some people like are experts in this particular one, but this is my first time trying it. I've been seeing it and I love it, okay? So I'm just giving it a try because I have the opportunity to. So you want to roll it like just trying to form a circle, right? You want to roll this in gradually, and you're supposed to put your egg wash like all round, but yeah, I just remembered. So you want to roll this like so, and once you're done, you seal the mouth, you seal the opening. And yeah, let me know if you like it, if it's easy. It actually looks harder than it is because it's my first time trying it. It's actually simple, okay? Don't mind me at all. So go ahead and seal it up. So there's a way they use their fingers to seal it up, like I've seen Indian women do this to their samosas. But yeah, I'm just going to seal it up with my fork because I don't want to take chances. I don't want this to explode in the oven. So this is what it looks like. Let me know what you think. Is this even easy? Yeah, thanks to whoever that came up with the mold thing, because molds are lifesavers. It saves time and all of that. But yeah, I know this is a traditional way for some people, and I couldn't wait to try it out. This is what it looks like, and yeah, I like it, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with the rest of them, and I'll be back, guys.
She know how to season. She got all the flavors, make you fall in love. And now I can't get enough. She been with me for a while. She been my partner in crime. She taught me everything I know. She taught me everything I know.
Once again, guys, thank you so very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and yeah, to our new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comment section where you're watching me from so I can thank you specially in my next video.
I wanna show you how it's done. All the commercial recipes, show you how to make some fun when you're cooking in the kitchen.
So now we are done wrapping all of the dough, and yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to poke some holes for easy cooking, and I'm going to egg wash. Like I said, I always egg wash twice. Okay, once I egg wash once, I put in the oven. 10 minutes later, I open my oven, egg wash again, and leave for another 5 minutes to bake. So you should do that as well. Now it's ready, and I have to go outside to get a good view because there was no electricity anymore. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really nice, and I hope you like it and you'll be trying it. I will see you in the next one. Bye.